Hey there, so to set up buffer here, the way to do that is first find the account that is set up on multi-login, open it up, click start, I've just done that here. Then log into buffer, it's going to be this one, buffer.com. And click login, email address here, password is here. Oh crap. Shut up. Voila. Beautiful. Now, you have to make sure you're doing it on every single multi-login browser per account because it just links directly to the account on this particular browser. So saying we're going to add this account, for example, you just click add social account. Doody-doody-doo. Doody-doo-doo-doo. If it wants to load today. Doody-doody-doo. It apparently does not want to load today. Let's try again. Add social account. If you're watching this video, I recommend you skip a bit ahead. Just keep skipping until you see it's something different other than this screen. In fact, I'm going to pause. Go back. Okay, so clearly it hasn't worked on the browser at the moment. So I think it's just having a small issue. So let's just do one here so you see what it looks like. So you just click add new social account. Click on profile. It's going to take you to this bit here where you log in, you click accept, and it adds it in. And that's it. Please take note, we only do this on client accounts. We do not do this on our own accounts that we have set up. That's all. Thank you. Bye-bye.